verse 41. The Jews then complained about him because he said, I am the bread which came down from heaven. And they said, Is not this Jesus, the son of Joseph, whose father and mother we know? How is it then that he says, I have come down from heaven? Jesus therefore answered and said to them, Do not murmur among yourselves. No one can come to me unless the Father who sent me draws him, and I will raise him up at the last day. It is written in the prophets, and they shall all be taught by God. Therefore, everyone who has heard and learned from the Father comes to me. Not that anyone has seen the Father except he who is from God. He has seen the Father. Most assuredly I say to you, he who believes in me has everlasting life. I am the bread of life. Your fathers ate the manna in the wilderness and are dead. This is the bread which came down from heaven, that one may eat of it and not die. I am the living bread which came down from heaven. If anyone eats of this bread, he will live forever, and the bread that I shall give in my flesh, which I shall give for the life of the world. Mababasa natin na mababa ang tingin ng mga Hudyo sa ating Panginoon Jesus. Sa ibang verses sa Gospel, sinabi, Is not this Joseph, the son of a carpenter? At alam nila na si Maria ay isang mahirap. Kung pinanganak si Jesus ng, let's say, kay King Herod, malamang mataas ang tingin sa kanya. Ngunit isang mahirap, hamak at nagdurusang Mesiyas ay isang katitisuran at ikakagalit nila. Kahit sa panahon ng mga apostol, sabi nga sa 1 Corinthians chapter 1 verse 23, we preach Christ crucified, to the Jews a stumbling block, and to the Greek foolishness. At kahit sa panahon natin, tanggap ang magandang aral ni Jesus ng karamihan, pero pagdating sa dugo na makakaligtas sa ginawa niya sa ating kasalanan, ang kamatayan niya, ang ating pag-asa at ang kahirapan niya, ang ating kayamanan, ang ikinamumuhian ng di mananampalataya. Ang katitusaran ng krus ay di patapos. At sa panghuli, sabi nga sa verse 47, Most assuredly I say to you, he who believes in me has everlasting life. Purihin natin ang ating Panginoon dahil kaagad binibigay niya ang kaligtasan. Hindi bukas o next month o sa pagdating ng judgment, kundi kaagad. Wala nang katulan sa ang na kay Kristo. Ang pangalan natin ay nakasulat na sa aklat ng buhay. Sabi nga sa John chapter 3 verse 36, He who believes in the Son has everlasting life, and he who does not believe the Son shall not see life, but the wrath of God abides in him.